Hi YouTube, I wanted to make a video on the Rev'it Rodeo boot. This is a motorcycle boot. Now I have owned this for 1 year and they do come in a pair. And for 1 year I've worn them pretty much every day. So here is 1 year's life worth of boot. Now that is really good for me because I wear my shoes, and you can see here how it wears there. If this was a normal pair of shoes and a normal sole, this would have gone within about 3 months. I would have had to have it resoled. 1 year on, it's still there. So the boot is brilliant. I've been wearing it every day for a year. So I bought these around summertime 2018. We're coming up to summertime 2019. Waterproof. You can watch many videos online with a detailed breakdown on what they are, but just to run through it quickly, you've got your ankle protection, you've got your splint through the sole, you've got oil resistant leather sole at the bottom. It is waterproof, so you're inside here, you have your gusset to keep your water out. You've got good thick laces here, and you've got on both sides of the boots, you've got a gear shifter protector there. So the style of the boot is warm. I'll just show those reflective here. I wear these in a cafe racer type style, so I have my jeans turned up, which ride just above the boot, and you get to see this reflector here. So the boot being waterproof, I've worn it in a proper downpour. They work really good. Downside though is in summer when it's warm, you're not getting any ventilation through here. So on a very summer day, these get retired. Don't happen that often in the UK, so for the majority of the time, they're great. I have put inside a new sponge insert on the bottom just because I'm wearing them every day for a bit more comfort, but you can get that from any sports shop, and I normally do that with shoes that I own. So it's meant to be a distressed boot. The more you wear it, the more it gets distressed. This chalkiness that you see here, it is part of that distressed look, and if you wash it off it does go, but then it comes back again, so it's just part of the distressed look. The boot itself, very easy to put on and off. There is no side zip, which would have been brilliant for putting it on and off, but otherwise you know, it's pretty quick. I mean, you can wear them in two styles. Obviously you can wear them open if you're young and hip, or you can just close them up and have your trouser over the top if you're old like me. But yeah, so the Rev'it Rodeo boot, it's £150 or was around that when I bought it, and my opinion is it's worth it 1,000,000%. I'd say after a year of wearing them every day, these now could be retired to be my second pair. I will go get another pair. They measure up true to size. When you get them new, didn't take long to break them in, a couple of days. If that, there were no blisters, it weren't really hard or anything like that. You know, they were comfortable off the bat. Yeah, they looked a bit cleaner than this, but they're not a dress shoe. They are a sort of workman, casual, distressed boot. So yeah, I'll show you what they look like on, and yeah, if you're in the market for a motorcycle distressed look boot, get the Rev'it Rodeo. Cheers. So here's just wearing them open. I haven't done up the laces at all here, but it's a style that looks quite good if you're you can pull it off. So that's just an open style there, and you can also put a little bit over on that side there. Wear one up, one down. Just show you a little walk in them, just so you know what you're getting. But yeah, nice distressed looking casual boot from Rev'it. So that's the Rev'it Rodeo.